Chapter 3. The Delhi Sultans. Introduction. In Chapter 2, we saw that regions like the Kaveri Delta became the center of large kingdoms. Did you notice that there was no mention of a kingdom with Delhi as its capital? That was because Delhi became an important city only in the 12th century. Take a look at Table 1. Delhi first became the capital of a kingdom under the Tomar Rajputs, who were defeated in the middle of the 12th century by the Chauhans, also referred to as Chahamanas of Ajmer. It was under the Tomars and Chauhans that Delhi became an important commercial center. Many rich Jain merchants lived in the city and constructed several temples. Coins minted here, called Dehliwal, had a wide circulation. The transformation of Delhi into a capital that controlled vast areas of the subcontinent started with the foundation of the Delhi Sultanate in the beginning of the 13th century. Take a look at the Table 1 again and identify the 5 dynasties that together made the Delhi Sultanate. The Delhi Sultans built many cities in the area that we know as Delhi. Look at Map 1 and locate Delhi Ekunha, Siri and Jahanpanah.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें।
The rulers of Delhi. Rajput dynasties. 1. Tomars, early 12th century, 1165. 2. Anangpal, 1130 to 1145. 3. Chauhans, 1165 to 1192. 4. Prithviraj Chauhan, 1175 to 1192. Early Turkish rulers, 1206 to 1290. 1. Qutbuddin Aybak, 1206 to 1210. 2. Shamsuddin Iltutmish, 1210 to 1236. 3. Razia, 1236 to 1240. 4. Ghiyasuddin Balban, 1266 to 1287. Khilji dynasty, 1290 to 1320. 1. Jalaluddin Khilji, 1290 to 1296. 2. Alauddin Khilji, 1296 to 1316. Tughlaq dynasty, 1320 to 1414. 1. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, 1320 to 1324. 2. Muhammad Tughlaq, 1324 to 1351. 3. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, 1351 to 1388. Sayyid dynasty, 1414 to 1451. 1. Khizr Khan, 1414 to 1421. Lodi dynasty, 1451 to 1526. 2. Bahlul Lodi, 1451 to 1489.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें।
Finding out about the Delhi Sultans. Although inscriptions, coins and architecture provide a lot of information, especially valuable are histories. Tariq, that is singular, or Tawarikh, that is plural, written in Persian, the language of administration under the Delhi Sultans. The authors of Tawarikh were learned men, secretaries, administrators, poets and courtiers who both recounted events and advised rulers on governance, emphasizing the importance of just rule. Keep the following additional details in mind. 1. The authors of Tawarikh lived in cities, mainly Delhi, and hardly ever in villages. 2. They often wrote their histories for sultans in the hope of rich rewards. 3. These authors advised rulers of the need to preserve an ideal social order based on birthright and gender distinctions. Birthright means privileges claimed on account of birth. For example, people believed that nobles inherited their rights to govern because they were born in certain families. Gender distinctions means social and biological differences between women and men. Usually, these differences are used to argue that men are superior to women. Their ideas were not shared by everybody. In 1236, Sultan Iltutmish's daughter Razia became Sultan. The chronicler of the age, Minhaj-e-Siraj, recognized that she was more able and qualified than all her brothers. But he was not comfortable at having a queen as ruler. Nor were the nobles happy at her attempts to rule independently. She was removed from the throne in 1240.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।